Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 15, जिसका नाम है University Days. Let's start the discussion of book exercise by discussing questions related to reading comprehension. So, first question is, compare Thurber's approach to seeing the cell of flower with that of his teacher and other students. Is he, in your view, making fun of himself, other students, or teachers' ways of instructions? Explain. Answer. Other students were able to see mechanics of flower without any problem. They were following the teacher's instructions very efficiently. On the other hand, writer was struggling hard. He tried hard to observe flower through a microscope, but failed every time. Writer's tone is satiric and comic. He is actually mocking and making fun of present educational system and its demands. Writer is not interested in botany, but due to rules of university, he is wasting his time in trying his luck again and again in botany. Second question. James Thurber gives a great deal of descriptive detail in his essay University Days. What senses does the description appeal to? How does this detail make us feel and connect with the experience of the writer? Answer. The descriptive detail which Thurber added in the essay appeals to visual sense because of the way writer has explained every emotion which he has experienced. He has mentioned every step of the laboratory in a very relatable and comic way. The way he has explained his efforts of trying again and again in the laboratory to see the mechanics of the flower through a microscope and teacher getting irritated of him has made the essay very impactful. Hence, when the reader reads this essay, he feels that he is with the writer in the laboratory as it is this effective. Third question. What is the thesis of University Days? Is it stated or implied? Answer. The thesis of University Days is the drawbacks of current education system. Today's education system does not realize that not every student is on the same page while studying. Writer was struggling hard to observe flower through a microscope. Instead of finding the root cause of the problem, the teacher kept on pressurizing him to observe the flower through microscope correctly. Moreover, the writer's university had also made a rule of passing science subject mandatory to get graduated. Hence, writer is explaining and criticizing the education system in implied manner, which fails to help students who are weak in studies. Fourth question. What is the implied message of University Days? Answer. The implied message of University Days is the drawbacks of current education system and hardship, control, frustration, and struggle of students' life in University Days. Today's education system does not realize that not every student is on the same page while studying. Writer was struggling hard to observe flower through a microscope. Instead of finding the root cause of the problem, the teacher kept on pressurizing him to observe the flower through a microscope correctly. Moreover, the writer's university had also made a rule of passing science subject mandatory to get graduated. Hence, writer is explaining and criticizing the education system in implied manner, which fails to help students who are weak in studies. Fifth question. Why was the instructor irritated with Thurber? Answer. The instructor was irritated with Thurber. All students were making progress in their work, but Thurber made no progress and even could not adjust the microscope. The instructor offered to adjust the microscope for him. He tried every adjustment known to him, but it was of no help to Thurber. He could not see the plant cell and draw its details on the paper. The inability of Thurber in seeing plant cell in the microscope made his instructor irritated. He looked helpless and didn't know what to do with Thurber. Thank you. We are done with reading comprehension portion.